intimacy retreat. So you're going to put you both on the same mat.
Really?
Really?
Okay, cool.
You thought it was just regular old yoga.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and have a seat.
How is this tandem thing going to work with you being this tall and me being this short? I mean, I don't understand how that's going to work, but
Now we're going to do a little playful here. So hank your right foot under your left. Cooperation. There you go.
just trying to hold it.
Now bring the leg up and back to the mat.
Try to get into some of those positions. I just don't see it happening.
And then go back and forth and just find that balance between your own power. Well, please do not fling her over.